Hello friends, in this video I am explaining about computer SMPS, computer ATS XMPS. First of all, I am discussing about AC power input. This one Newton and this one phase. And here one more thing, this one ground, chassis ground connected to this chassis ground, here and here also chassis ground connected. This chassis ground directly connected to AC power outlet earth. Now this one thermostat NTC, it is called NTC. It is temperature dependent resistor. It is temperature dependent resistor. When the temperature increase, this NTC resistance will be decreased. This one fuse, protection from over current. This is protection from over voltage. This two 1 kpfs here connected, one Newton to ground, another one phase to ground. This one grounded, here connected, grounded. These two, this two filter the frequency, high frequency in the AC. MW frequency control capacitor. This one bridge rectifier diodes, 4 rectifier diodes, converting AC voltage into DC supply. AC 230 voltage convert into 300 DC voltage. 300 DC voltage. After converting AC 230 voltage into DC 300 voltage, given to this filter capacitor, filter and store capacitor, 330 mF 200 voltage, two capacitors seriously connected. This one filter and stored capacitors. Now here 150k resistors, two 150k resistors used for this connected across the two capacitors for discharging purpose. In this three SM transformers, one is main SM transformer, this one driver, this one starter power supply SM transformer, and this will provide plus 12, minus 12 and plus 5 and minus 5 and plus 3.3 voltage. This will provide. Now I am discussing about power starter stage. This filter DC 330 voltage given to this starter circuit. This one starter circuit. This one BU 3150 transistor, BU 31 main switching transistor. This one C945 is a driver transistor for this main switching transistor. So this one is this SM transformer having one primary winding and three secondary windings, one for plus 5 voltage standby voltage, and another for 33 voltage for this oscillator IC supply, and another mm, another winding, another secondary winding for this opticoupler 817 power supply to this, and it will secondary this winding also generate frequency to this main switching transistor. When the this starter SM transformer generate voltages plus 5 voltage, plus 33 voltage generated by SM starter circuit. This sent to this oscillator IC. At a time, this 33 voltage also sent to this driver transformer middle point. Another two ends send to this transistors transistor collectors. These two driver transistors C945, these two driver transistors, and when the oscillator signal received this driver section and boosted the um, uh, filter frequency, switching frequency, and send to this main output transistors C13007. This both main switching transistors. These two transistors, main switching transistors E13007, they both are main output switching transistors. The signal received from this driver transformer, and here the amplification will happen, and send this through this signal frequency will be sent to this 1 mF 250 voltage to this primary winding of SM transformers. Hello, this one secondary side, this one main rectifier diode, Schottky rectifier diode. This also main rectifier diode, Schottky rectifier diode. Here this one this IC 3.3 voltage regulator IC. This one filter, this will filter 3.3 voltage capacitor, filter capacitor, and this one choke. This one is choke, DC filter choke. Here capacitors there, filter and stored capacitors, filter and stored capacitor. Here negative rectification diodes also used for -12 and -5 voltage. This TL494 IC, it will generate oscillator. In this IC having oscillator, error amplifier, reference voltage regulation, and protector output control driver stage. In this LM339 used for PG, power good and power on protection stage IC. This used for this.